When considering a new water filter for your refrigerator, the Kenmore 9911 refrigerator filter stands out. It acts like a silent guardian, diligently purifying your water. This single-pack filter, in a clean white, easily replaces your old one. Furthermore, it promises crisper, cleaner water and ice. You will notice a real difference. Thus, your drinks will taste better. Moreover, your ice cubes will be clearer. This Kenmore 9911 refrigerator filter is truly an essential upgrade. It's a small change, yet it yields significant results. Therefore, consider this filter for everyday refreshment. Using the Kenmore 9911 refrigerator filter is quite simple. Installation is a breeze, so you won't struggle. It fits perfectly into compatible Kenmore refrigerators. No special tools are needed. Then, just twist and lock it in. After a few minutes, you are ready. Subsequently, fresh, filtered water flows. This filter is designed for convenience. Hence, replacing it is never a chore. The Kenmore 9911 refrigerator filter keeps your water supply pristine. It's like having a tiny, dedicated water treatment plant. Because of this, you always have pure water. Ultimately, investing in the Kenmore 9911 refrigerator filter is a smart move. It ensures your family drinks the best water. Furthermore, it protects your refrigerator's ice maker. Impurities are effectively trapped. Consequently, your appliance lasts longer. Additionally, health benefits are clear. You avoid many common contaminants. This filter is a small price for big peace of mind. Overall, it's a worthwhile addition to your home. Therefore, for ongoing freshness and purity, choose the Kenmore 9911 refrigerator filter. Pros: fits Kenmore Elite fridge, works great. Real filter fits and works perfectly. Shopping on Amazon made it easy. Filter model is exactly what is required. Ordering was simple, delivery was as promised. Filter is working. Work well, a breeze to install. Perfect fit replacement, fits perfectly into my Kenmore fridge. Standard replacement filter, very easy to install. Water refrigerator cons: possible fake filters. Filter may pop out. Sputtering sounds at first. Short filter lifespan, 5 months. Significant price increase. Features: filters refrigerator water, comes in a 1-count pack, single unit included, white color. Kenmore brand, model 9911, easy to replace, improves water taste, reduces contaminants. Designed for refrigerators, the Kenmore 9911 refrigerator water filter is a white, single-pack filter designed for Kenmore refrigerators. It's easy to replace and helps make your water taste better by reducing unwanted things in it. This water filter is a perfect and easy-to-install replacement for Kenmore Elite refrigerators, fitting well and working as expected to filter water. However, some users have reported concerns about possible fake filters, the filter potentially popping out, initial sputtering sounds, and a shorter lifespan of around 5 months. There has also been a noticeable increase in its price.